Hi everyone. This haul is from a shop that I only purchased from one time. This is Scribble Prints Co. And I think I also got like a few rolls of washi tape in this. I think I purchased like mystery bag. I got this washi tape and a few others similar to this. From Scribble Prints Co. They were doing a D-stash. I actually don't remember. I think I just got this like maybe medium or the small option. This was a while back, and I got this album, which I believe will fit all of these kits that I got. I don't know too much about how exactly to use these foil packs, but I think they were getting phased out from Scribble Prints Co.'s shop. And so there's a ton of different types of foil and then a few kits. So I guess we will kind of explore this brand together. I know that Andrea is extremely popular. I saw her one time, like a couple times while I went to PlannerCon in 2019. And since then she's had, I think, a bunch of kids. I think she's moved a bit, and I don't know, she's just like wildly successful still after all these years. So I think all of this foil is manufactured and they go specifically with the kits, because she has a very specific style of planning where it's like there's like foil underlays, and then she uses she'll use icons and then character stickers, and so that's why a lot of her kits come with, but this I believe is the old foil. I'm just like super behind. I don't know what's going on exactly. So if you are a longtime Scribble Prints Co fan, please comment if I like, I'm sure I got this wrong, but maybe you want to share your expertise on Scribble Prints Co with me. But it looks like these are bottom washi overlays. So they're cut specifically to fit Erin Condren, or like I think the 1.5-inch columns. And it looks like in this pack there are two options that you could use. And these are both in this like shiny gold. Then there are, these are all completely kiss cut too, but that's, I think their logo changed as well, so maybe that's why this was being phased out. And these are full box overlays with some, like, I'm pretty sure this goes with a kit. Like the cutouts must go with a specific kit. And then you've got tons of these little starburst type things, some happy faces, some flag overlays, then a bunch of icons. There's some more icons, but these icons are like the opposite of these because they have their circle. Oh, and there's like tiny numbers here. That's nice. And then a bunch of like corner, oops, this is still in the way. A bunch of corner designs that you could put on full boxes. Those are really pretty. Then these look like they are like you could use them as underlays, like a full box underlay, like that. Or you could use them for headers because they are cut at this. I'm pretty sure this is like a 1.5-inch wide by maybe 1 centimeter tall. So all this is on some, it's like very thin PET, like plastic. So that was what was in this kit. I'm pretty sure the other ones are all the same. They look about the same. Maybe they're just missing this piece. So there's like a shiny silver. There is a matte rose gold. There's this like shattered hollow blue and a matte bronze. A shiny. I think these all actually have specific foil names too. So I don't know, but this is like a magenta. Here is a shiny bronze and a matte gold. Oh, some of the designs are different though. Like you've got hearts in this one, and then like stars and different things. Some of them are kind of like a dot. So seems like there's some variety in the patterns you get, but most of the other things are about the same. This one is a shattered gold, hollow gold, shattered hollow silver. This one's rainbow, which is really nice. And these are all clear, on clear paper, or clear like PET. But then you get some that look a little different. These are the ones on paper. Printed on paper. These also look a little different because you get date covers. It's really pretty. And these are flags. Oh, I like these. Like the manufacturing process seems really nice. Like the foil is really nice. Sometimes when you get the smaller shops producing their own foil items, the foil doesn't always turn out the best. These are really nice. So that is the paper version. I have that in the like this rainbow foil. This one is that matte bronze. And then there's like peach background with gold. A pink background with gold. This one's very fun. Black with the holographic foil. And black with a matte rose gold. Then there's marble. So I think for a while, Scribble Prints Co. was really famous for her specific, well, not famous, but like she was recognized by her specific marble pattern. And so I've got that in silver and this gold. And then these two have pattern backgrounds. So this is like a pinky background, and then this one is with a silver, and this one is the shattered gold, or like moon, I guess, like celestial. And then the kits, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some of the kits are big, and some of them are, they don't have as much stuff. So this one is called Magique, Magique. It has this special foil. It says To Infinity and Beyond, and then on the bottom it says Buy More Scribble Prints Co. And so I guess this is like a Disney themed one. So those are the full box options that you get, plus these two. And you get a lot of these like squared boxes, half boxes, and then a heart checklist. So this would look really familiar for the people like OG creators or OG planners who love to use the Erin Condren style planners. There's some deco, and then like a movie marquee. There's always a movie marquee in every kit, and like I don't know how many people are watching movies every single week, but lots of some work labels, some canceled, rescheduled notes, some more of those half boxes. And this is all of the like heart checklists, your habit trackers, more habit trackers. I mean, these are not habit, these are habit trackers, and maybe this is like a overview, weekly overview. And then quarter boxes. Such a shine to it, sorry. And bill dues and rounded half boxes. And then you've got some like I don't think these are headers. These are just kind of boxes to write with. You can write on top of these. And also because this is such shiny material, you have to use like a permanent marker on this. And then here are some labels with some more of those whited out boxes. And then this one has your date covers and another full box, and the bottom washi for the Erin Condren. So that's a very light pastel kind of kit. And then this one is called Sweet Summer. Just kind of go through the pages like this. This is a nice color combination. I like the patterns. It's really pretty. This one is Work from Home, and it also looks like it's got a free extra freebie. This foil is gold foil. Some of these kits are bigger. Take a very light colorway. I think Scribble Prints Co. Andrea, she buys most of her art. I don't think she draws her art, but she'll buy it, but it's usually custom to her shop. This one has scripts, and it is called Homebound. So laundry, payday, date night, planning time. Yeah, so the format of these are different. That's probably why she was phasing some of them out. I like this gingham pattern, or not gingham, like was it check pattern? Checkboard. Checker. Then the last kit that I got has munchkin heads on the back. And these are all random pulls, so I'm pretty sure if you also bought a mystery bag, you wouldn't have gotten exactly the same. But, oh, and also I think Andrea has her office that she prints and cuts all of these kits. So these kits are not produced in a factory. She has a team that does it. I see what this is called. This one is called April Mystery. But yeah, that is a lot, but I actually am not so sure what I want to do with this. I have all the, put that on, oops, this might be long, but I have all of these kits, and I think I'm going to put it in here, but I don't know how to use these because I don't use the Erin Condren. So let me know if you use your Scribble Prints Co. or any sort of kit in your planning system, like a Hobonichi or any other notebook. I'd love to see how you use it, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.